In this exercise, we are looking for an upper confidence bound for a population mean based on a sample of 10 that is provided in the question. The upper bound is given by this formula, which uses the sample mean, the critical value, the sample standard deviation, and the square root of the sample size. Now the sample is given in the question, and it is a sample of size 10. So the sample average is simply the average of those numbers. And that comes out to 21.9. The sample standard deviation. Now this can be calculated manually or using software. Now I've used R, so I have an object called fat, which is a vector